Hello, welcome to Good as Gold, Fashioning Senegalese Women. My name is Molly Trask Price, and I am an exhibition designer at the North Carolina Museum of Art. This show is a collaboration between the NCMA and the Smithsonian's National Museum of African Art in Washington, D.C. In this exhibition, some art objects may look different or out of place. This is because of the COVID-19 pandemic. Did you know that most art museums around the world send couriers along when they lend objects? This ensures safe handling and the minimal risk for the lender and the borrowing institution. Because of the fragility of the pieces in this show, a courier from the Smithsonian was scheduled to come and install several of these works in person. Unfortunately, due to COVID-19 travel restrictions, the courier was not able to join us, so some of the objects were not installed. We still want you to be able to see the objects that were meant to go in the cases, so you'll see these objects replaced in a new way. Look for stylized reproductions of these artworks, tinted purple. These reproductions are the actual size of each object and created from high-quality images. Additionally, you'll find a QR code on these cases and can use your smartphone to scan the QR code and get high-resolution images to explore. We appreciate your patience and cooperation as we always strive to create the best experience for our visitors. Enjoy your visit and come back again soon.